Wow, such a big dolphin fish must have fallen off a passing fishing boat. Such a big one. Let's load it up. Open it. Are you already blowing up that box this early in the morning? There might be something inside. It can't run away. Let's start grilling this fish first and then deal with it later. Huh. All right, I'm just hungry too. Oh, beginning sound. Brothers, these are the clay bricks we made a few days ago, and they have mostly air dried. While little Lee is grilling fish, we will build a stove here, making it convenient for us to bake food. Brothers, our stove is ready now. Let's move the table. Hey, what is the reason for this? Ah, never mind. Let's fill our stomachs first, and then later we'll try our luck gathering seafood. Ah, this morning's work was all for nothing. Shaoli, bring the fish meat. Let's go gather seafood. All right. Shaoli, we need to hurry. I heard the tide is coming in soon. Look, such a big abalone.
Mings, we found a bag here. By the way, Mings, lend me a light.
Jeremiah, there are many places to spend money during the new year. You don't know how many there are. Can you enjoy free 2025? Isn't this all a scam? Come back. I didn't believe it either. Just clicked randomly to try it and unexpectedly won. It's the new year. People in the city have taken a lot of calcium supplements, and even if you're not part of the winning quota, there's a chance for subsidies. It doesn't cost money. Each account has one chance, so quickly call family and friends to try it. Be relaxed, have a good mood, and good luck will follow for a year. Great! We can prepare more New Year supplies today. All right, let's pack up the car and head back since we got it early.
This crap, when you touch its second leg, it's straight. Hey, look, what is this thing? Wow, I'm going. Such a large jaguar. This must have fallen from a passing fishing boat. Never mind. Let's take it back first. Brother, this fish is really big. We'll cut a piece from it, and you can dry the rest into fish jerky. Come on, Shaoli. Take this fish back and handle it. Let's also grill these 2 lobsters. Brothers, our lobster and fish are ready. Let's start eating, brothers. Okay, bring it back. This big lobster is for you. I'll take a small one. I still need another piece of fish. This fish is really fragrant.